You don't hate hard work. Your brain just thinks it's a bad deal. Every time you choose scrolling over studying, comfort over effort, your brain is doing exactly what it was designed to do. Avoid pain, seek reward. And right now, hard work feels like pain, and your phone feels like reward. So if you're waiting to feel motivated, you'll be waiting forever. Because motivation isn't broken. Your dopamine system is. But here's the part nobody tells you. You don't need more discipline. You need to rewire what your brain finds rewarding. This is the dopamine rewire method. And if you do this right, your brain will start craving hard work the same way it craves junk content. Step 1. Remove fake rewards before real work. Right now, your brain is overstimulated. Short videos, fast music, constant scrolling. You're flooding your brain with cheap dopamine before you even try to do something hard. So when it's time to work, it feels boring, slow, painful, because your brain is comparing it to instant gratification. That's why the first rule is simple. No stimulation before effort, no scrolling when you wake up, no music, no distractions, just you and the work. At first, it will feel unbearable. That's a good sign, because now your brain has nothing better to run to. Step 2, make progress visible. Your brain doesn't actually hate hard work. It hates working without reward. So you need to give it proof that effort is paying off. Not in weeks, not in months, immediately. Track everything, every rep, every hour, every small win, because when your brain sees progress, it releases dopamine. And suddenly, the work doesn't feel pointless anymore. It feels addictive. That's why people who track their habits stay consistent. They're not more disciplined. They're more rewarded. Step 3, shorten the pain. Most people fail because they think too big. Study for 3 hours. Work out for an hour. Your brain hears that and shuts down. So instead, shrink the task until it feels almost stupid. 10 minutes, that's it. Because starting is the hardest part. And once you start, something interesting happens. Momentum kicks in, and what felt impossible becomes easy to continue. Your brain stops resisting because the threat is gone. Step 4, delay your dopamine. Right now, you reward yourself before you earn it. You scroll, then maybe you work. Flip that. Work first, then reward. Even something small, a video, a snack, music, because now your brain starts making a connection. Effort equals reward, and over time, it stops needing the reward at all, because the work itself becomes the trigger. Step 5, kill the escape route. Be honest. The reason you quit isn't because the work is too hard. It's because there's an easier option one tap away, so remove it. Put your phone in another room. Use app blockers. Create an environment where working is the default, not the choice, because willpower is unreliable. Environment is not. Here's the truth. Your brain isn't lazy. It's trained. And right now, it's trained to choose comfort over growth. But if you follow this method, you reverse that. You make effort feel good. You make progress addictive. You turn discipline into something automatic. And once that happens, you don't need motivation anymore. Because the things that used to feel hard start to feel natural. And the life you want stops feeling so far away. If you're ready to stop living on autopilot and start becoming someone you're actually proud of, then consider subscribing.